Hi. Well, wow. Bore da. Welcome to all the new followers, and thanks to those who have been reaching out. We are living through an incredible event, and though it's not going to last, because it's not going to last, we have to keep listening. Even if you still think it's all a hoax, please just listen to what they are saying. I've been piecing it together, the information coming through about the future, about the things that have happened, that will happen. Everything points to a permanent major rise in global temperatures, nearly 2 degrees. That's worldwide. We've heard about devastating droughts, catastrophic flooding. There's mass migration and displacement of populations around coastal areas of Wales, across the UK, Northern Europe. But there's something else in these messages, a common thread. There's hope. There's resilience and empathy. The future is reaching out to us. It's sending us a warning, but it's telling us to fight, to change, to learn, and to listen. It's telling us that we can. Gwyliwch yn ofalus.